Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my The Box by Fashionsta. So let's get in here and see what we've got. Fashionsta's The Box is a monthly beauty box that always rocks. I just am always happy with it. It's one of the ones that kind of flies under the radar that you may or may not know about. It is $24.99 a month and you always get your value worth, but it's not just about the value. I always get items to try that I haven't necessarily tried before, or items that it's full of things I generally, I hope I'm not jinxing myself here, really want to use. So let's get in here and see what we have. This is my May box. Part of it is on me, part of it is on them. It came very late, but not late like, oops, they forgot me. Late like they ship at the end of the month. So we really get the boxes for that month at the very end of the month, and I even get some at the very beginning of the next month, but I don't mind because it comes here in this lull between when I get all of my Boxies and all of my Ipsys and all of the other boxes, so it works for me. When I open it up, and I have to do that down here because they do put your address is right on the front. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it says Inner Beauty, and it will tell us everything we need to know about what is inside and the value of it. And that is what it looks like. It's very classic looking. Everything seems to be in white with that nice black shred. Very classy. All right, I'm gonna gloss up and give you a little information here. It says, going within to nourish and flourish. Inner Beauty. An enormous thank you to these 6 inspiring women for sharing their healing modalities to stay mentally healthy and personal resources to strengthen our spirits and inner beauty to shine as our most authentic selves from the inside out. Interesting. So I wonder if these are the women. I wonder if all of our products are by women-owned companies. That is interesting. Well, let's just dig in and find out what we can find out. All right. Right on top, I have the Earth Harbor Aurora. Is this the one that I have? No, this is different. I was gonna say, there's one that I've gotten several times, but this is not it. This is the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule. And that is what it looks like. We have been seeing a lot of Earth Harbor lately, and generally I love it. They do have a couple items, I'm not sure if this is one of them, with products in it that I can't use, but as a rule, I do love it. That's so pretty. It's a nice glass bottle. Let's see what the paperwork says. Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule, $32 value, so you've already more than covered the cost of your box. The most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while inducing dewy luminance, giving your face illuminating superfood nutrition. It is vegan and cruelty-free. We have been receiving a lot of Earth Harbor lately, and since I am not 100% certain that I don't already have this, I'm gonna leave this one sealed so that if I do have it, I can pass it along. But I really enjoy the Earth Harbor oils. All right, reaching in next, I have a Gypsy Soul Organics Clean Skincare, and that is what that looks like. Let's take it out. I love clean and organic products. Ooh, it is a face toner. And there is something really weird floating in it. Oh yeah, that can't be right. That can't be right. I love this box, but I'm gonna have to let them know that it's got, oh, that's gross. I don't know if I can get, oh, there you go. I don't know what that is floating in there or what it looks translating to on camera, but to me in person, it looks like fuzz from the dryer. There's no way that's natural. They had a problem on the line, I'd say. That's, yeah, I'm not even spraying this. It says, Gypsy Soul Organics Face Toner Cactus Flower, a refreshing and hydrating formula that purifies, detoxifies, and tones your skin, 100% organic, and can be used over makeup to keep skin hydrated, vegan, and cruelty-free. So whatever that is, it's not animal related. Let me make sure that it doesn't address this anywhere. We do not use fillers of any kind. There's nothing on this or on this that says what's in here. So I wouldn't necessarily spray this anyway because I don't know if I can use it. So I will go to the website and find out what is in it. If it's something that I can use, actually I think I will let Fashionsta know regardless, even if I don't want them to send me another. But if I can't use it, there's no point in them sending me another. But yeah, I'm looking at this through my lighting and that's not part of it. I feel confident about that. Moving on, we have another Earth Harbor product. We have the Earth Harbor Lagoona Replenishing Body Serum. All right, I know I've never had this. I love anything that's going to moisturize the body. This is what we have. It is 2 ounces, and I don't know if it's coming across. It's kind of an aquamarine color. It's really pretty. It says the Earth Harbor Lagoona Replenishing Body Serum has a $26 value, promotes feelings of skin respiration and intercellular energy while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and gorgeous luster to your sweet skin. Vegan and cruelty-free. So far we've had 3 products, and yes, 3. They've all been vegan and cruelty-free. Let me look at the box and check these ingredients. I totally use this one, so it's about time we got into one of these things and had some fun. Put just a couple drops. Let's go see just a drop, but we'll do a couple drops. Oh, it's very nice. Almost smells summery. I like the scent. Oh, I just rubbed it in without showing you guys. It's just an oil. It's just an oil, but my skin is absorbing it really quickly. Oh, that's nice. That made my hand feel fantastic, and it's still a little oily, but it is absorbing. Reaching in next, I have a Hola Neon. I think it's a lippy, right? Mine is Love Me. I can't tell if that's going to be, it looked very pink when I showed it. Here in real life, I can't tell if it's going to be pink or orange. If it's pink, I probably will Love Me It. If it's orange, I probably will not Love Me It. Oh, I do like the package component though. That is, I think I've had one of these before. That is the Hola Neon. Oh, I think it's a really pretty color. I think that is totally going to work for me. These lights are so bright, it's so hard for us to tell sometimes. I'm gonna put this here since I have so much oil over there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I do Love Me It. So the color is Love Me. And it's kind of a pinkish. You can tell because it's on my wrist, and that's probably some of my whitest skin, that it's nice. It's a little lighter than what I have on now, but kind of in the same family. All right, I like that. The paperwork says that it is a lipstick balm. It is kind of balmy. Can you guys see that it has a little bit of satin to it? But I went back and forth a couple times and it didn't build up too heavy. It's just nice coverage. Moisturizing with a hint of shine. A tinted balm to smooth and shape for the ultimate pout. Coconut infused and formulated for everyone at every age and any skin tone. Vegan and cruelty free. Reaching in next, I have a little jar. Oh, I saw this in the spoilers on Insta. This is the Sugar Wax. Oh, it's hard to read, it's little. Natural Hair Removal. That is what the jar and the label look like. And this says Nurture from Nature 2-ounce sugar wax, $10. A perfect hair removal solution for sensitive skin and all hair types with salon results with no heat strips needed. 3 natural ingredients, pure cane sugar, distilled water, and lemon juice. Vegan and cruelty free. Well, okay. I'm not gonna do it right now, but let's see what it smells like. In theory, it smells like lemonade. Actually, it smells kind of like, it smells like cooked sugar. That's mostly what I can smell. Not like a caramel, because it's not really caramelly. I can't really tilt this too much because will it? No, I can probably show you. That is what it looks like. Oh, I bet that explains. I definitely was not thinking, was somebody eating a popsicle when I put my box together? No, it's for the sugaring wax. I will definitely try this. I wonder if you can use it on your eyes. I would like to use it on my eyes. I'll have to go to their website and check it out. You know, not my eyes, my eyebrows. We're clear on that, right? That's something else I will definitely try. And last but not least, we have, it looks like a palette. It is from Kathrin Girl, and it's called Kindness. It is paraben-free, cruelty-free, and natural, and vegan. Yes? Yes. So everything we received in this box was vegan and cruelty-free. That is what the palette looks like. When we open it up, It is just a very neutral palette, and that is what it looks like. The top is just a little mirror. Shall we swatch these? Someday soon. I love this box, but how soon, I hope someday, they go away from this black shred. I don't know if it's all black shred or just the shred that they choose to use, but that we have, everything has fuzz on it. Just, and this didn't have an overlay, so it was inside a little bit, but it's still really pretty. Let's go ahead. The top row, oh, it bends back. I love it when they bend back. The top row is Care, Believe, and Peace. It feels very nice. It's not really creamy, but it doesn't feel too dry. So I would use this as an all over eye color. This is that nice inside the lid, oh, that's very pretty. Inside the lid shine that I like. This is fantastic for me for transition. That is what they look like. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Those are very, very pretty. They did not, I mean, that didn't, I'm gonna show you that again. It didn't go on, I hope it shows. It's not even a little bit patchy, and I didn't put any effort into those. Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, let's try the bottom row. So for our pop of color, we have either this nice dark brown, which is Brave. This is a shimmer again, and it's called Honest, and it's kind of a, yeah, it's kind of a burgundy-ish color. Maroon, that's what we used to call it. And then this one is called Sparkle. Oh, wow, that came off a lot. See how much of that came off? Those are gorgeous. This is a really wearable palette. If it applies as nicely as it's doing here with the, wow, with the swatches, this is gonna be amazing. And the three on the end are those last three. That's the brown. See how it's not patchy? And then that shimmer, that's that burgundy-ish maroon color. And all those sparkles. I don't use sparkles very often. Oh, I just caught the inside of my wrist. That's gonna be such a pretty look if you wanted to. Okay, well, this was a small but mighty palette. I really like those colors. This would be great if you're traveling. I mean, you could get, I know it seems like basic browns, but I really feel like you could get a few looks out of that. Again, I don't know if I've, did I complete that sentence? I don't use a lot of sparkles because A, I never have glitter glue, and B, I'm always afraid of getting it in my eyes. You know, everything about me right here is so sensitive that if I got that in my eye, I would just probably just give up. All right, this box has a $143 value. So even if you take away this face toner with the oddness in it, which I'm sure they will replace, that's $30. So it would still be $113. And it's not just that it's $113 worth of items for basically $25. It's that it's a very wearable lippy, a gorgeous, really nice eyeshadow palette. I mean, those colors, the Sugar Wax to try, the Earth Harbor Aurora Ampule for dewy, luminous skin, the Gypsy Soul face toner, and the Earth Harbor Lagoona body serum, which I will probably put this right in the shower, and as soon as I'm done washing, I will probably so it's just done with. The only thing that gives me pause about that at all is the fact that it's glass and not clothes. Let me know below what you think. If you get this box, did you have that problem with your face toner? I haven't really watched, I might have watched one or two, but I don't remember seeing that problem. So I will have to go out and investigate and see what I can find out. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.